Enterprises are increasingly using AI to perform deep online research, scanning reports, legislation, competitors, academic papers, patents, you name it. But there's a problem. These research findings are often proprietary, confidential, and not public domain. There's a lot of information in the type of research that you perform as an organization. Yet, most AI tools today run on infrastructure that is owned by foreign vendors, where data can be logged, inspected, or actually used to train future models. So, as an enterprise, you should ask yourself, how can we benefit from state-of-the-art AI research capabilities, but without exposing our insights, our strategies, or our competitive advantage? And this is exactly what the GLBNXT platform offers. We run open-weight LLM models inside a fully sovereign European environment. The user interface looks and feels exactly the same as mainstream AI tools. The performance is the same and the depth of your analysis is the same. But there's one critical difference. All research, all queries, all references, all the insights and reports that you generate remain inside your organization's closed GLBNXT environment. No external APIs, no data transfer, and no foreign access. So let's look at an example. How can you create your own deep research agent using the GLBNXT platform? And actually, it's a lot less complicated than it sounds. So here we are again on the familiar GLBNXT dashboard. And for this specific example, we will be using Na10. In Na10, we have prepared a deep research agent. So let's have a look at the AI agent that we've created to perform our deep research analysis. The agent is built up of 3 different stages. We have our planning stage, then we have our content stage, and we have our finalize stage. In the planning stage, it will first take our input query and plan the different topics that it will actually investigate. We use an LLM to actually generate the topics to research. In this case, we've specified that we would like to have 5 chapters available in our analysis report. So the agent will create 5 relevant chapters based on the query that we're going to ask it. Once we run it, you will see that it's going to execute these different research investigations step by step. At the end of the workflow, there's a finalize content, which means that all the information that has been collected is going to be inserted into a final report. And as a very nice touch, we generate a PDF file and we actually send that to an email address so that you actually get the report delivered right there in your inbox. But enough with the theory. Let's see how this performs in practice. So for this example, we're using a standard form available in Na10, which makes up a perfect user interface for our deep research analysis. So in this case, we're going to ask the AI agent to investigate impact of the EU Data Act and the Dutch SME market. And I'm going to ask it to send me the report once it has finished performing its research. Now we have put the agent to work. It's going to first split up this specific question that we've asked it into 5 different topics that it will go and investigate each of these topics individually. And once it has finalized, because this will take some time, it will send us the report directly to our email address. So we get a nicely formatted PDF file directly into our inbox. So our agent has just successfully completed the research, and let me quickly show you through the different steps that the agent has taken. As you can see, the different steps are traceable here in the evaluations or in the executions flow. The agent has generated some of the different content. As a final step, it's generating a finalized report. We've just received the email from our AI agent and it has completed the research question that we've given it. What you see now is that we have a document that consists of 18 pages, and at the end, the different sources that the agent has used are cited, which makes it verifiable for you as an organization. So with this demo, we've shown you how easy it is to build your own deep research agents. As an organization, you know exactly where the data lives, who can access it, and how it actually flows. That means you don't have any risk of leakage, and there's no risk of model training on your own proprietary findings. It's just high quality AI research that is performed securely inside a European sovereign platform. GLBNXT gives enterprises the confidence to use AI for deep research, with the same power and the same intelligence that you expect, but without compromising ownership, secrecy, or sovereignty. So if you want to accelerate your insights and protect your competitive advantage, then choose sovereign AI with GLBNXT. So if you are ready to continue your investigation into the GLBNXT platform, then watch the other videos. We'll explain how the GLBNXT platform works and how you can use AI in your own organization in a secure and safe way.